Here it is, here it is, here it is. Here it is.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Morgan County, northern Johnson County, until 8 p.m.
Oh wow, that was a loud thunder bang.
At 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mooresville, or 17 miles southwest of Indianapolis, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenwood, Franklin, New Wetland.
I just heard a train honk, but it's the worst weather ever.
This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 89 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson and Morgan. 16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles southeast of Mooresville, or 16 miles south of Indianapolis.